Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm Mikihime and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be lightly touching on a huge art hack that people talk about, but I feel like a lot of young artists don't really hear about as much since it's very much so a behind the scenes thing. But that is turning basic things, items, people, characters, animals into basic shapes so that you can draw them easier. A lot of people, they end up messing up proportions and getting anatomy incorrect because of sizing issues, because they are focused so much on one particular area of a drawing that they aren't really thinking about the art as a whole. And an easy way to avoid that is to just take a reference image and break it down into basic shapes, squares, circles, triangles, whatever, and that way you're able to more so apply what you are seeing to the image onto your canvas in a more accurate way. I know that you can't see the reference images that I was using when I was doing this. I was doing some cat studies since my comic does have a cat in it that I will have to draw every now and then, so I needed to learn kind of the basics for drawing that. So the reference images were actually to the side as I was drawing this, so you can't see them, and I apologize, but I assure you that I basically just applied the same principle of turning things into shapes. As you could see, every time I was drawing the cat head, I would start with a circle and then 2 triangles for the ears, and then I would basically just go around and move things around as I saw fit. And especially with some of the more full body images, I used more shapes, ovals, trapezoids, and stuff like that. So it's very simple to do this, and I think more people should use this. I understand a lot of people not using it or not really understanding how to use it. I didn't really understand how to use this technique when I was younger and just starting out, and it's just kind of something that I have applied more so as I've improved my art, and it just kind of helps to make the process faster, so you're just not focusing on one individual part, so you're not focusing on like one eye or one ear so long and then you just completely mess up the other one. It just kind of gives you a roadmap so that working on the actual artwork is just a little bit faster and more likely to come out how you envision it. Now, I understand that the reference images can sometimes be difficult to follow, and I know that my drawings are probably not the most accurate representations of those images, but these were just kind of quick concept doodles to really understand the body language of the animal, as well as the way that their body looks in different positions, so that I would be able to apply that to my character a lot easier. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful in understanding kind of like how I do things and how I apply references to my own artwork. References are always a good thing. I highly recommend looking at them and drawing from them. It'll just help you understand the world around you better, and so you can apply it easier to your artwork. I'm sorry if this kind of was rambly and didn't entirely make sense. I'm doing my best to explain it, but this is just something to mess with using shapes, so just don't be afraid to lay down a basic sketch underneath your actual sketch so that you kind of just have a better direction of where you are going with things. That's pretty much all I had to say about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. My comic Purgatorium is dropping on Tapastic and Webtoons on October 1st, so please check that out. You can go ahead and just search Purgatorium on either website and you should be able to find it, no problem. You're always welcome to follow my Twitter, where I'll be posting a lot of updates and a lot more of my art. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!